Welcome to our greenhouse. We just passed our last frost date, so today we're going to be moving our brassicas out into the greenhouse. And we cleaned up the greenhouse because it's been by itself for all winter. It's been by itself for all winter, so it had kind of gotten a little out of control. We trimmed up the fig tree. Now we did get a lot of ants in here over the winter, and so we're going to be showing you how we handle ants at the end of this video. The way she handles ants is just by standing on stuff so they don't crawl up her legs. She's been there the whole time. She seriously has not helped. No, I'm kidding, you have helped. Hello. But we're going to be showing you where we're going to plant.
Hi folks, you're not supposed to be here.
So we're going to be showing you what we're going to do with our brassicas, where we're going to put them. We already fixed up the beds, put new soil in them, and watered it down. So we're going to plant everything after this. Hey, I'm Trey, and this is Kayla, and we are VC Family Homestead, but you might not have known, we're also Vineyard Chicks. We're part of a band, and we do all sorts of different kinds of music, and we go live every Monday, and you can find out more at Vineyard Chicks if you're interested. Did you open the door, folks? He's so smart. He knows he can open the door and stick his head in, but he doesn't come in.
I say hi. Say hi, folks. You're a good boy. Look at this boy. You can't say no to this. Look at him. He's got like a Mickey Mouse haircut. You can't be mad at this face. Not that face. Nope, don't like the camera. He's a good boy. Oh yeah. Okay, you can stay there.
So here are our brassicas from inside. These have been growing indoors with our other plants for a while. And these ones are a little more cold hardy than the other plants, so they're ready to go out first. And then tomorrow we're gonna do our carrots and celery. But we're gonna put them in each of these beds. So there's gonna be cabbage, Pok Choi, and what's the other one? Kale. One in each bed, and then we're gonna put the extras here. I think.
Sounds like a plan.
Okay.
So I said that I was gonna plant cabbage in this bed, but then I grabbed the kale. So yeah, we're planting kale in this bed now. It's fine, it wasn't set in stone.
We'll bring you back when this bed is finished and show you what we're doing next. Bed number 1 is done. This is kale.
No, yeah, that's the kale. My bad.
This is kale. And this is Trey.
Stick the butter knife in it.
We're gonna put the butter
It
knife.
says kale.
This is probably the most important plant we're growing right now.
Yep.
The butter knife.
Kale's southern living's growing her forks. We got butter knives growing.
So this next bed is going to be
Pok Choi, I think.
Pok Choi.
Pok Choi.
You should plant the first one.
I'm working on it. I'm so sick. I'm so sorry.
She got the sickness that everybody else got, and I'm pretty much over it, so she's just miserable.
Okay, but I will say you were much more of a baby about it.
No.
Yeah.
Everybody said I handled it really well.
You did. Compared to your other sicknesses, you handled it very, very well.
Compared to them, I handled it really well.
Yeah. Yeah, no.
Like Bunky?
Bunky got really taken out by it.
There's a bug on me.
Oh no.
That's why the camera shook.
Oh no.
Hurry up and plant it.
I am not used to being stuffy. You guys have allergies. I am not used to this. Okay.
Make sure you keep the same plant.
I'm working on it.
Another butter knife. That one says Pok Choi.
When they grow up, they're gonna be a steak knife.
All things take time, I guess. Now move your knee so I can see it.
One Pok Choi.
There we go. We will come back when that's finished.
15 to go. So I'm just over halfway done with the cabbage, and this adorable little baby keeps poking his head in, just like, "Are you guys still here?" Oh, and then he leaves.
Hi, folks. No, where'd you go?
Recorder.
So while we were working in the greenhouse, Dad and Bunky replanted the raspberry sprouts that were in the greenhouse. If you go a little bit back through Bunky's garden tour stuff, She planted grapevines and raspberries in the greenhouse, and we get sprouts from that every year. This is a bigger raspberry plant. So we took them out of the greenhouse so we could plant, and what they did is they put it in between every raspberry plant. Here's one. Here's a big one. And then here's a small one. And they did that about a third of the way down the whole row. So we're excited to see how these grow.
All the Pok Choi is done. I finished. Now we're gonna do the cabbage. No, is it cabbage? Yes.
You're so tall. Like you were in frame and then you stood up.
I gotta stay down here for the little people.
Mm-hmm. That's you, the viewer. You are little people.
Yeah, but that's only because the camera's being held by little people.
Hey.
Little people is you, the sister.
Dude. Alright, on a side note, we have a fig tree. Fig? Plum. Fig. It's a fig.
We already showed the fig tree.
But yeah, it's taller than Trey, see?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Yep, absolutely.
It's doing so good.
Uh-huh.
And we'll bring you back when the cabbage is done.
He laid down! I can't, he's so cute. He's so cute. Look at him. He's already done. You're not supposed to come in though. No coming in. No. Good boy. You're so smart. Stay right there.
He's such a big dog.
You really are. You're huge.
He's taller than you.
That's so rude. Wait, why do you keep sticking? Why are you doing that? Why does he do that? Put your tongue in your. Stop sticking your tongue out at me. Why does he do that?
Finished.
No, we didn't.
This bed is full.
Yeah, we finished that bed.
This bed is full. This bed is full. There's Faux. He's so good at opening the door. Now, we're gonna go over by the fig tree, and we're gonna plant all the rest of the stuff that was in the box in here. And we will bring you back when that's full. He's gone.
So, I planted the extras down here. I kind of sort of forgot which ones were bok choy and which ones were kale.
I think the crinkly leaves are the kale.
Which ones?
The crinkly ones.
2 of them have crinkly leaves.
Oh no.
Yeah. So when they get older, I'll figure it out. But those ones are cabbage.
The round ones?
Yeah. But anyway, that's all of that. Tomorrow we're going to plant the carrots and the celery.
Yeah.
And today we're done.
No, we're not.
Oh, yeah. What are you doing?
The ants.
Oh, yeah. I did say we were going to do that.
I was just trying to be like really smooth with the like cinematography, and you're just like not helping.
So for the ants, we're going to mix some sugar and boric acid together and let them snack on that. And then we'll take it back to their nest and... So that's
The
what
paper
I'm
plate on the ground that Faux was standing on is for that.
No. So, I got dirt all over me.
Oh, my knees.
What do you get for sitting down for like a half
I was
hour?
squatting like the whole time.
Boric acid. We're a little faster than I meant it to. Now, whatever you do, once you mix this, do not put it in your coffee.
Or in
will
your
not
mouth.
feel good. Should be good, I think.
Good to find something to stir it with.
Yeah, because I don't really want to put my finger in the boric acid. Not really something I feel like doing. Do I just sprinkle it on the ground, or do I put the plate
You just gotta put the plate down. But for reference, there's a ton of them.
They're everywhere. Enjoy, my little friends. The ants are my friends. They're blowing up today.
Hey!
But yeah, that's all we had to do. And then tomorrow we'll bring the carrots and celery out here. But other than that, we're done.
Thanks for watching.
Yeah. Bye.
If you guys are wondering what we meant by Survival Seeds when we mentioned it during this video, Survival Seeds is a collaboration run by this guy, in collaboration with Lazy Days Ahead and Bushcraft Family, where we pick 6 seeds that we bought from Rainbow Seeds, which is an amazing seed company, and we ship to you. Unless you're in Canada, then we ship it from Miss Lori at Lori's World. Thank you, by the way, for that. You're the best. But if you are interested in growing survival seeds, then you can check out the video in the description on how you can make your entry video into Survival Seeds Collab.
All the information you need and more is available at survivalseedscollab.com, or email me at survivalseedscollab@gmail.com for any additional details.
As soon as we get your entry video, we'll be sending out your free 6 seeds that you can grow.
You don't get 6 packs of seeds.
Your free 6 packs of seeds, not 6 seeds, that you can grow right alongside with us and the rest of the community in Survival Seeds. We would be so glad to have you as part of the collaboration, and it would be super fun.
And the community is awesome.
This looks pathetic. This is my little sister.